Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's class we learn Farben colors. Farben. We say Farben means colors in German. I have written few colors. These are in German. And how do we say in English? We'll see them. First of all, we'll say how to pronounce these colors in German correctly. Rot, red. Blau, blue. Grün, you umlaut, grün. Brown, you is brown. Grün is green. Grau, grey. Grau. Rosa means pink color. Weiß, white color. Orange, same spelling, orange. Okay, orange. Gold, silver. Schwarz, black color. Schwarz, and this is silver, gold. So these are colors in German. It's very simple. It's not difficult, but you have to pronounce correctly. Now, how do we use them in a sentence? Or if you want to say like dark green, so we have two words for dark and light. Like dunkelgrün is dark green. Like dunkelbraun is dark brown. Okay, dunkelblau, dark blue. So these are the words you can use. Dunkel for dark. And then hell means light color. Like hellbraun, light brown. Okay, hellgrün, light green. Hellblau, light blue. Okay, so this is for dark and light colors. Now, if you want to make a sentence like you say, my car is red or my car is of red color. So you just write the color which is working as an adjective. So these colors work as an adjective if you use them, okay, for a noun. Okay, adjective tells about the noun. So like if you say my car is red, so how do you say mein Auto? Mein Auto ist rot, full stop, that's it. It means my car is red, mein Auto ist rot. Or if you say apple is red, so Apfel ist rot. So here red is also adjective. Suppose you say the flower is pink. The flower is pink. So I use this. Die Blume. Blume means flower, singular. Die Blume ist rosa. Full stop. The flower is pink. Die Blume ist rosa. Now you say my hair are black. So meine Haare, plural, so sind. Meine Haare sind, and this is black. Schwarz, we can write here. Schwarz. Meine Haare sind schwarz. My hairs are black. So plural, Haare, plural. So sind, are. My hairs are black. I hope it is clear. You can make so many sentences like you say, my jeans is blue. So jeans plural, we use plural. So meine Jeans sind. Meine Jeans sind blau. Meine Jeans sind blau. My jeans are blue. Similarly, you say my socks are white. Meine Socken sind white. The word is Socken. I write here. Socken means socks. Meine Socken sind weiß, blau. You can use any color. If you say my dress is black, mein Kleid. The word for dress is Kleid. Mein Kleid ist schwarz, black. My shirt is blue. My shirt is blue. Shirt is called hemd. H-E-M-D. Hemd. Hemd shirt. Mein Hemd ist blau. Mein Hemd ist blau. Hemd means shirt. Socken plural, socks. Kleid das Kleid. Kleid, dress. So always learn these clothes, any noun with article. Das Kleid, die Socken, plural. Das Hemd, shirt. Similarly, Haare, plural, hairs. So these are the colors and this is the use. How do we use them in a sentence? It's a short video but very informative. I hope you understand how to use them in a sentence. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.